This video was requested by several members in our Facebook group, which has over 250,000 people in it. I'm going to be talking about how much YouTubers make from Adsense when they're in the top 3% of YouTube by views. Stick with us, I'm going to be doing a 2-minute talk. There was a study done by a professor at a university in Germany analyzing the revenue of YouTube channels. And I've been challenged by someone in the Small YouTubers Boost Facebook group to do a quick 2-minute talk about what it means for us small YouTubers. Now, before I start the clock, just a little bit of background. This study was a large sample size of YouTube channels. That's channels, not accounts. And it was based on views. So it sorted all the channels by views and looked at where the top 3% was, and it looked sort of at the bottom of the top 3%. So if you're at exactly that 3% threshold, the top 3% by views, what was the average income from Adsense alone? And the number that it came up with was $17,000. So I'm gonna start the clock and I'm gonna talk about it for exactly 2 minutes, as I was challenged to do. I think there's 3 reactions that YouTubers are likely to have when they see these numbers. I think one is that they're gonna be discouraged. They're gonna say that, oh, I can't really make it, I can't make a living out of this, I can't make this my day job. And I think it's important to take a moment for that reality check to sink in. Because if you have quit your job, if you have dropped out of school, if you've made some major financial commitment in your channel, it helps to have a realistic expectation of what might be at the end of that. And so I don't want people to quit YouTube. I don't want these statistics to demotivate you or make you give up. But I do want people to make careful choices for themselves. I don't want people thinking that they can quit their job, record themselves, just talking into a camera randomly, or just playing a game, and that they're going to become a millionaire overnight. It takes a lot of work, and it takes a lot more than just hitting record. And I don't want that to come off as shade. It's respect I have for people who put the work into it. But I think the positive response that you could have to this kind of thing is, one, just realize this is only AdSense money. So if you want to make a career out of this, then you're going to need to diversify your revenue sources with things like affiliate links and sponsorships, things of that nature, a Patreon. There's a lot of different ways that you can earn revenue that is supported by your channel. And I think the other part of it is that if the numbers aren't that great, if the money's not that great, then you need to really make videos for something other than the money. If you make it for you, for your audience, it's something you enjoy or something your audience gets value out of, then that fulfills you, I think, in a way that money can't, especially if it's only $17,000 a year solely from AdSense. I think that if you make videos because you want to, if you make the videos you wish you could see on YouTube yourself, for example, things like that, then you're going to have a happy, fun time at it. It'll be a fulfilling hobby, whether or not it pays the bills. And that's 2 minutes. That's my 2-minute talk. So thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the comments, is this something you'd like to see more of? Just me doing a quick 2 or 5 minute conversation about some piece of information, some YouTube news, something like that? Let me know. This was a challenge that I was issued inside our Facebook group, so go check that out. Facebook.com/groups/Small YouTubers Boost. We've got over 250,000 small YouTubers there. It's an amazing community. People are finding opportunities to collaborate with other people. We commiserate together when it's hard, and we celebrate each other's successes. It's an amazing community, and I do recommend you check it out. I also recommend you check out the other videos on this channel. We've got equipment reviews, unboxings, tutorials, all sorts of fantastic things. And we also go live every now and then without a whole lot of notice, and I will give free 30-minute channel reviews. But in order to get that, you got to join us early in chat to get your request in, because we've got a lot more requests than I've got time to do it, unfortunately. So if you put notifications on, set them to all, join us early in a live stream, you might get a free 30-minute channel review. That's pretty awesome. Thanks so much for listening to my 2-minute talk. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video, or perhaps the next live stream. Thanks for watching.